outside. It is currently raining. So, hubby cut the grass this morning. It looks great. There's still stickers on the ground. Some of my kale came back. And my Swiss chard is doing great, better than it did before the goats ate it. I also have 3 cucumber plants. This is 2 and 1 over there, and then this one. It's doing great. It's loving this rain. My cilantro is done for. But it's wet. It's a mess. So there was a tornado caught on film about 20 minutes west of us. So you can see those clouds moving pretty fast. It is going to be like this for the rest of the week. I believe Saturday and Sunday is going to be clear. It is 90% rain tomorrow. So it has just been gross. You can see I got some quail down there. Those are my male quail. I took out 6 because they had too many in there. So all that's been going on today, I did lose all of the kittens that my cat had. I have spoke with a vet, and we think that it's possibly due to congenital heart defects passed down from one of the parents. She will probably be fixed soon. I've already spoke with 2 spay clinics to have her fixed. Also, the baby gosling died as well. Not really sure why. Just found him dead. He was inside, so he wasn't out exposed to the elements or anything like that. But I'm going to check on all the animals and then get out of the rain. Y'all be blessed. It's coming down. I'm holding this up because I'm getting wet. So I'm going to be out here for a minute. Hopefully it slacks off soon. I'll have to make a run for it.